The reference site is this plant for processing demolition products, that is cement, scrap metal, tarred materials, earth and excavation residues. Located in the Reims area, the plant, with the production capacity of 500,000 tonnes per year, was designed and developed with close collaboration between the client, P, and the Agency for the Recovery of Inert Waste. The material is supplied by a power shovel discharging onto a metal apron. This plant is peculiar in that it processes irregular products resulting from demolition work. This is in particular the case with reinforced concrete, polluted with materials such as wood, paper, nylon, polystyrene, earth, etc. Materials must therefore be sorted prior to crushing. Earth is scalped and processed via a separate screen after metals have been removed. Clean parts are then reintroduced into the cycle. Materials then pass into a sorting cabin. A variable speed conveyor allows operators to remove any undesirable items such as wood, nylon or non-ferrous metals. The impact crusher, with its 1520 by 1200 mm wide opening, is specially equipped with wearing parts that are resistant to materials abrasion. In addition, a hydraulic system for regulating the screens offsets the wear on the beaters. After crushing, materials and scrap iron pass onto a vibrating metal table. Because the impact crusher is so effective, materials can be entirely separated from metals, thereby obtaining a granulometric curve which is recorded in Cetra type bands. All the scrap metal is then attracted by a high-powered electromagnetic overband. By way of example, electricity supply board type reinforced concrete posts can be processed fully. Production of each granule size is controlled by integrated scales. An automaton manages the unit's operation, analyzes problems, displays all data on a flow diagram and prints it out. This means that individual regulation parameters can be adjusted. Remote control gives the operator a high level of mobility. At various points within the plant, screen, conveyor dumps, crushers, etc., dust, polystyrene and small pieces of wood are recovered by a cyclone suction system. A filter separates solids from air and a ventilator blows away the last of the undesirable components. Products purified by this process are reground and screened to obtain materials that comply with the manufacturing quality required for paving, aggregates, concrete, tarred materials, etc. This materials processing plant, the largest in Franche-Comté, is also one of P's reference sites. Its main characteristic is its use of limestone aggregates throughout the entire paving and building products manufacturing process. It supplies several on-site manufacturing units direct, that is, a paving aggregates unit, a concrete unit, a tarmac materials unit, a fillers factory and a prefabrication plant. The diverse nature of these products requires a high quality of granulometry and cleanliness. In order to fill these criteria, the most advanced manufacturing techniques have been used. There is a materials buffer and tunnels to separate primary products from secondary products, as well as a screening, impact crushing, recycling and tertiary grinding for refined granulometric curves. The manufacturing process is entirely controlled by computer, with built-in scales, detectors, probes and video surveillance. This automation means that parameters can be set up, monitored and modified in order to fulfill clients' requirements. Storage, loading and distribution of aggregates is also managed automatically. 800,000 tonnes are processed in this way every year. At first, there was a primary station with an outflow of 250 tonnes an hour, which was installed in a fixed position in 1985, a long way back from the working face. It operated for more than 12 hours a day. It was vital to streamline operations and reduce operating costs. P rose to the challenge and replaced this inefficient installation with a new unit which met very precise criteria. Elimination of assembly line work and dumpers, grinder with a wide opening, production of 500 to 650 tonnes an hour, high level of mobility and direct link with the plant,